Now, neo-exclusive spy photos captured in California have completely unmasked the GV90's interior design, showing a cabin that heavily retains the features of the high-end Neolun concept. The center of attention in the new leaked California spy photos is a sweeping ultra-wide display stretching across the dashboard, estimated to be approximately 27 inches in size. This continuous screen layout directly mirrors the architectural approach seen in the Neolun concept vehicle. Looking past the main panel, several key physical components closely replicate the concept's minimalist cabin. The horizontal row of buttons directly below the primary display, the speaker grills, and the general dashboard contouring are almost identical. Notably, Genesis has re-engineered its signature rotatable electronic dial. While this crystal-like component serves as a shift-by-wire gear selector in the current production models like GV60 or G90, on the GV90 it has been moved to the steering column. This leaves the rotatable center console dial entirely repurposed as a dedicated tactile interface for the 27-inch infotainment system. By combining advanced dedicated electric vehicle architecture with coach door, high-end concept tech, and highly complex engineering solution, Genesis is intentionally positioning the GV90 to contend at the absolute top tier of the premium electric SUV segment. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more information about the upcoming Genesis flagship SUV.